Come on the floor, let's lay together. This is the one and only time we're doing it for you. Okay? Alright. Alright, the first basic of the body, you have to understand the next basic. This is your over. So, this is how it goes. You look to your right and your left. Then you have to have this consciousness of 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? So let's try it again. 5, 6, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Ekombi is grace. You need the river, right? Just like that's where that is about. Your father